Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi guys, my name is Roger Roby. I'm the field support specialist for Bernard and Tregaskis, and today we're going to talk through the maintenance on your Clean Air E Bernard fume extraction torch. So you have your Clean Air E torch and you're wanting to maximize your fume capture. We have some different solutions here, primarily with the shroud on the end. Here we have 3 different lengths of shrouds as well as 2 different sizes. So depending on your needs, we have our 7/8 OD nozzle, which we consider our small, and then we have our large, which is 1/16 OD, and the shrouds are specific to each. So the large designed shrouds, which have a diamond knurl on them for identification, whereas the smaller version has a straight knurl for identification. The 3 different sizes really just comes into how to fine tune your needs. So depending on your work environment, the one that comes on it is what we would consider our middle option here, where you have a little bit of for visibility as well as a good amount of capture. But if you're in a situation where you're in a tight pocketed area and you're worried about your shielding gas getting sucked up and this adjustment on the back isn't enough for you, whatever the case may be, you can switch to the smaller size, which again will allow for more visibility and also reduce the capture area closer to the handle. Where if you need, you're in more of a flat, wide open area and you need to get as close to that weld pool as possible to really maximize your capture, you can switch to the longer one. And the one that comes standard on the torch again is that middle size, and then it's just a differentiation of is it for the small or the large.